So this is a quick comparison between the FancyFoam Ezfly trainer and the Ezfly Icon. The trainer is a great plane, it flies great, no issues. The issue with the Icon is the rigidity of the tail, and as wind hits it, it affects the control surfaces. First, we'll take a look at the trainer. You can wiggle it. See, that tail stays pretty stiff, doesn't really move that much. But certainly the control surfaces don't move when you bend the tail. It's really hard to bend, and they're not moving. Look from the underside here. As you wiggle that, that stays pretty still. The Icon, on the other hand, just a light shake, and it just wiggles. What you'll see is when the tail bends, it affects the control surfaces. You see that? And it bends a lot in flight, causing the plane to actually fall out of the sky at times when the wind hits. You can see, depending on which direction you bend it, it will cause the plane either to go up or dive down and turn hard. And this makes flying this plane really difficult, especially for somebody that isn't familiar with flying a plane. I definitely do not recommend this plane. It looks cool, the concept is really cool, but the real winner is the trainer. It's pretty much an indestructible plane, flies great, awesome in the air, stable. The Icon is just no fun. Probably going to end up adding a spar in the back to try to stiffen it up. If that doesn't work, the electronics are going to get yanked out and put into something else.